here. You know you can't do them something there. Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Expressions. Let me just say happy 63rd Independent Jamaica. Yeah? I'm coming to you all the way from Osaka, Japan. And we're going to talk about a lot of things on Sunday Night Live this Sunday. Yes, we're going to be back. Your host and co-host, of course, is going to be back this Sunday, 8 p.m. on Expressions JA, Sunday Night Live. People, we have a whole lot of things to talk about. So we're going to talk about what happened at Grand Gala. We're going to talk about Uncle Berry's receiving his Reggae Icon Award. But something interestingly caught my eyes. We are trying to save our dying traditional folk forms. I don't understand that part, but we're going to talk about it when we get to Sunday Night Live. Alright, so coming to you from beautiful Japan again. You must be wondering, what are we doing in Osaka, Japan? Well, Sunday Night Live, you got to hear all about it. We were at the world, not we were. Kind of must I wonder we who. Dance Expressions was representing Jamaica at the World Expo 2025 in Osaka, Japan. But I'm telling you already, if you don't want to hear more, Sunday Night Live, this Sunday, 8 p.m. See you this Sunday, right on Expressions JA's YouTube channel, Sunday Night Live. Yeah? We're going to be at Bamboo Oasis, that's 9 Colliston Drive. Alright, so check us out if you want to join us this Sunday. Expressions JA, Sunday night. So Audrey, really I got through with this?
Well, based on those documents, that's what she's doing.
I wonder if it's a scare tactic, because she won't get your attention.
Audrey should know by now. I don't scare easily. Plus, she don't have to do that to get my attention.
You have eyes on her?
No, as far as she's concerned.
Oh, because that would mean you're getting old.
What do you mean what? I can't tell you how many times this newfound love of hers brushes his teeth. I can't tell you how much rolls of toilet paper he uses a week.
So, what you going to do about this?
You mean apart from using toilet paper? Think I found a way to elongate the process. First thing I'm doing is making certain that this newfound love of hers isn't a family member of Jeffrey Epstein. Plus, if you give her enough time, she'll become an unfit mother.
And that would put Justin in your custody.
Yeah. I've already started shopping for a nanny. Well, I'm going to have to address this formally. But in the meantime, I think I need to have a one-on-one with this lawyer.
How about you leave the one-on-one with the lawyer to me?
Angie. Play nice, no man.
I always do.
Yeah, right. In the meantime, I forget personal business. What's more pressing is the shipment of weapons we understand are headed our way.
A new shipment? Other than what came in the other day?
Never a dull moment, but we're not Barbados. And all of the usual suspects seem to be totally out of the picture. Which leaves us with Miranda.
But she has been off the grid for a while. It never seemed like she's here.
What better cover than not being here?
You know, though, Pops, this is something where we have to jump on fast, 300 and odd guns in less than a month?
Actually, they could be the replacements for the ones we intercepted. Which means that Miranda may be looking for a buyer, and what better customer than somebody who desperately need them to replace what them lose?
And you say you don't think this have anything at all to do with Daly?
No. I'm saying he could be the customer, but him don't know it yet.
So what you're really saying is that Daly could be getting the shipments through a third party.
It's what you call transshipment. And Daly is shitting bricks because he doesn't know who the third party is. He's trying to get a position of deniability. Now put him in the dark. You know what can happen? If we, and we will, successfully intercept this shipment, we can sell it to it.
I like that. So, what is the assignment?
It goes into three parts. Funny. Part one, most important, we intercept the shipment. Part two, we send out feelers to see who might want to buy, with Daly at the head of the list, of course. And part three, we use this to find out how well Stinger and Shades work together.
All right, Pops, this is where I'm a little nervous because having Stinger and Shades work together is too much testosterone. Remember, say Shades still raw and Stinger has been at the top of his game. We can't risk failing this mission because the two of them having a dick swinging contest.